Hi viewers, you welcome back to class. Still on word problems leading to linear equations. I have two examples this time. The first of the examples is John earns £150 per week than our friend Dan, and £100 less than our cousemate Moses. Together, the three boys earns £2,050 per week. How much does each boy earn per week? These three boys, there's a kind of relationship between their earnings, and it's this relationship that give us the linear equation we're gonna work with to know how much each of the boys earn per week. For John, it's gonna be denoted by capital letter J, and for Dan, we're gonna use capital letter D, and for Moses, we'll use capital letter M. So I want to bring in the relationship in their earnings now, which make up their linear equations. John earns £150 more per week than our friend Dan. John earns £150 more per week than our friend Dan. So we're going to write for John earning, we're going to have the capital J, which is denoting the earning of John, which is equal to Dan earning, but it's 150 more. What John is earning is £150 more than what Daniel is earning. So we have here 150, and again another statement is there, and £100 less than our cosmate Moses. That is, John earning is also £100 less of what Moses is earning. So we have here that together the three boys earn £2,050 per week. So for John, Dan, and Moses, together we have £2,050. So we've gotten an equation here already, one, another equation 2, another equation 3. So in equation 1, we want to make D the subject of the formula. Make D the subject of the formula in equation 1. Make D the subject of the formula in equation 1 will be capital D is giving us J minus 150 pounds. So that's D, the subject of the formula. Also, and this one will be equation 4. So make M the subject of the formula in equation 2. Make M the subject of the formula in equation 2. That gives us capital J plus 100, which is equation 5. So what we're gonna do now is to substitute equation 4 and 5 for D and M in equation 3. So in equation 3, let's first of all recall equation 3. Let's recall equation 3. Equation 3 is J plus D plus M, which is equal to 2050. So for D, we're going to write J minus 150, and for M, we're going to substitute J plus 100. So let's do that. We have plus J minus 150 plus J plus 100. Everything giving us 2050. We have been able to substitute equation 4 and 5 in equation 3. That is, in order for D and M, we have decided to replace D and M with equation 4, D with what we have in equation 4, and M with what we have in equation 5. So we can solve this now. So let's collect like terms viewers. So the J's are 1, 2, 3. So J plus J plus J gives us 3J. And minus 150 plus 100 minus 150 plus 100 gives us 2050. So 3J minus 150 plus 100 will give us minus 50. Minus 50 viewers. So we have this, which is equal to 2050. So collecting the like terms here, we have 3J equals to 2050. This one crossing to the other side becomes plus 50. So 3J is equal to 2001. So making J the subject of the formula, we have 2001 divided by 3, which is 700. So from the calculation now, John earned £700 per week. John earns £700 per week. And the question says, how much does each boy earns per week? We've been able to get the one for John. One for John to be equals to £700. So, what about the earning of Dan? Dan earns £150. Yeah, Dan earning is £150 less than John. Yeah, it's John that earns 150 more per week than Dan. Okay, so to calculate Dan earning, we get that using equation 4. Using equation 4, we have Dan to be equals to John minus 150, and John earning is 700. So 700 minus 150 gives us £550. So for Dan now, his own earning. And so for Dan, we move to equation 4. What we have in equation 4 is D equals to J minus 150. So 700 minus 150, because J earning is 700, minus 150 gives us 550. It's 550 for Dan. And for Moses, we use equation 5, which is J plus 100. And from our calculation, J is 700 plus 100 gives 800. So Moses earning is 800. Moses' earning is 800. £700. Dan £550. And Moses £800. For you to check, viewers, the three boys altogether earns £2,050. So for you to check, just try to add all what they earns together. For John 700, for Dan 550, and for Moses 800. Add everything together, it's giving us £2,050. That's me. Viewers, keep watching, subscribing. Bye.